Hi everyone, I'm Matt Fuller. I'm the Public Services Librarian here at Leach Library. And today I'm going to show you how to create and build a personal wish list in the library catalog. So the first step is getting to the library's website. So let's type in at the top here, londonderry.org/leach-library and hit enter. And that will bring you to the library's website. Now, an alternate way of doing this from Google is simply typing in Leach Library into the Google search and hit enter. The first result we get will be the library's website. From here, we want to look at the left-hand side of the page and find where it says Library Catalog here, where my cursor is. Click on Library Catalog. And now we want to find where it says Leach Library in small letters. Click on that. And finally, we want to click on Login here at the right-hand top part of the page. And we need to enter our username and password. Once you have that typed in, just click on Login. And here we go, we're into the account now. So first we'll focus on creating a personal list. So let's click on My Info. Now find where it says Resource Lists on the left-hand side of the page and click on that. Okay, now we want to create our own list. So let's click on Add List. And say we want to create a list of books by the author Michael Crichton. So let's name our list Michael Crichton. As you can see below, you can add a description of the list if you like. In this case, we don't really need to do that. So I won't type anything, but you're certainly welcome to. And let's click on Save. Okay, now as you can see, that list has been saved, but we don't have anything in the list yet. So now we need to add some books to our Michael Crichton list. So let's click on Catalog. And we're going to do a search for books by that author. So let's type in Crichton, comma, Michael. And I will mention he has a kind of a tricky last name in terms of spelling. So you do need to make sure that you spell the author's name correctly. Otherwise, the catalog can be a little bit picky and it might not yield any results for you. So let's double check we have that spelled correctly. And yep, it looks like we do. So now we're going to click on author since we're doing an author search. Okay, now we get a whole bunch of results of Michael Crichton books and audiobooks and so on. So let's find an item that we want to add to our list. How about Jurassic Park? So one way of adding a book to your list is by clicking on the title. And look in the middle of the page where it says Selected List. And we see that we have the list titled Michael Crichton already selected. So now all you need to do is click Add to this list. And after doing that, you'll see Add to this list changes to a check mark, and it says in this list. So let's verify that it is indeed added to the list by clicking on My Info and hitting View on the Michael Crichton list. And we can see that Jurassic Park has been added. Okay, now I want to show you another way to add an item to your list. So let's click on Catalog again. Again, we're going to do a Michael Crichton search. So Crichton, comma, space, Michael. Click on Author. Now let's say we want to add the book or the audiobook Micro. So look toward the top of the page where it says Selected List, and it has the Michael Crichton list selected. So that means that anything you add will automatically go to the Michael Crichton list. So find Micro here, the audiobook. Look toward the right-hand side of the page, and you'll see there's a button that says Add to this list. Simply click that, and that will add it to your list. Let's do a few more. How about dragon teeth? Look to the right-hand side. There's a button that says add to this list. Click on that. Great. And let's do one more. Timeline here. The book timeline. Look toward the right-hand side. Click add to this list. Okay, now hopefully those three should be added to the list, as well as Jurassic Park, which we did earlier. So let's go back one more time. Click on My Info. Let's hit View on the Michael Crichton list. And as we can see, the audiobook for Micro, the book Dragon Teeth, and the book Timeline have also been added to our Michael Crichton list. So this is how you create and build a list in the library catalog. If you ever run into any trouble or have any questions, feel free to call the library at 603-432-1132 and just ask for the reference desk and we can help you walk through the process. Thank you very much. I hope this has been educational for you and have a great day.